Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about a case study, how to craft a business plan using design thinking approach. Design thinking is a human-centered approach to innovation that emphasizes empathy, creativity, and interactive problem solving. In this study, we will explore how a fictional setup, Green Garden, used 5 stages of design thinking to develop a comprehensive business plan for a sustainable gardening service. While the design thinking approach outlined in the case study can be effectively explained to recognize and address potential challenges that may arise during the process. Here are some potential challenges that the Green Garden or any organization employing design thinking may encounter. Limited sources, resistance to change, unclear problem definition, failure to iterate, lack of user engagement, complexity and ambiguity, cultural and organizational barriers. In stage 1, Green Garden began by empathizing with potential customers to understand their needs, preferences, and pain points related to gardening. They start to understand their preferences. They conducted interviews, surveys, and observation sessions with homeowners, community gardens, and urban dwellers to gain insights into garden habits, challenges, and aspirations. Through this process, Green Garden discovered that many people were interested in gardening but lacked the time, knowledge, or resources to maintain a garden effectively. In defined stage, based on the research findings, Green Garden defined the problem they aim to solve. How might we make gardening more accessible, convenient, and sustainable, including busy professionals, apartment dwellers, and eco-conscious consumers who could benefit from gardening service that provided hassle-free access to free, fresh, and organic proteins. In stage 3 of ideation, Green Garden brainstormed creative solutions to address the identified problem and meet the needs of their target customers. They hosted ideation workshop, brainstorming sessions, and design sprints with cross-functional teams to generate innovative ideas and concepts for their gardening service. Ideas ranged from mobile gardening apps and subscription-based garden kits to community gardening events and rooftop garden installations. Prototype. After selecting the most promising ideas, Green Garden developed prototypes to test and refine their concepts. They created markup wireframes and prototypes of their gardening service, including digital interface, product packages, and service offerings. Prototypes were interfaces, product packages, and service offerings. Prototypes were shared with potential consumers and stakeholders for feedback and validation, allowing Green Garden to iterate and improve their concepts based on output. The final stage is called testing. In the stage of final stage, Green Garden tested their prototypes with real users to evaluate their visibility, usability, and desirability. They conducted pilot programs, beta tests, and trial runs of their gardening service in selecting neighboring homes and communities. Feedback from participants was collected through surveys, interviews, and user testing sessions, providing valuable insights into effectiveness and appeal of the service. Potential outcomes of employing the design thinking approach for Green Garden include development of innovative garden solutions tailored to the needs and preferences of urban residents, then identifying new market opportunities and revenue streams, positioning Green Garden as a leader in sustainable gardening industry, strengthening brand reputation and differentiation through customer centricity, fostering trust and credibility among target audience, enhanced organizational agility and adaptability, cultivation of a culture of innovation and collaboration. By applying the principles of design thinking, Green Garden was able to develop a comprehensive business plan for their sustainable gardening services. By using empathy, creativity, and iteration, they identify various customer needs and exactly defined a compelling value proposition, generated innovative solutions, and they tested prototypes to validate their ideas. The result was a well designed and customer centric business plan that positioned Green Garden for success in competitive gardening market. This is how design thinking approach is very helpful in a case study to understand various stages from empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. Thanks for watching.